Hello, here's a little 3-finger animatronic hand on a stick that I'm working on. How this works is you got 1, 2, 3, 4 links of chain. It comes up out of here, loops around, it goes over one complete piece of chain link, and then it comes over here, and then it loops around just this one and goes up to here and hooks onto the 4th piece like that. You can see it right here, going around one complete link of chain, looping around this one piece and coming back out to here and hooking to the end of the 4th piece here. What the string does is it pulls on this piece and pulls it this way, and then it also comes up here and pulls this piece this way, and it closes the hand. Pretty much everything pivots around this piece right here. And the tenon pulls on the middle of the 4th link here, pulling it back and always keeping it open. Your bungee loops around the outside of everything and connects in the middle of the 4th link here. I cut a piece of clothes hanger into this shape. These 2 parts down here go into the holes, and I just secured it with some screws. This is actually a very solid design. On the piece of coat hanger, I stuck the washers and the pieces of chain. I put 2 going this way, and the 3rd one going this way. And in between the 3 pieces of chain in 2 places, I put washers to space them out. You can see the washers right here and down here. I saw them do this on Mythbusters, and this is one thing anybody can do. Yeah, I used my bicycle chain brake tool. Easiest way to break the chain. I got this for about $5 on eBay. The 3 strings are tied into a loop, and they hook to a piece of wire that runs the entire length of pipe that comes out the bottom, so I can pull on it and cause the hand to close. Unfortunately, my fingers are really sore right now, and I'm running out of patience, so we're going to tie those tendons some other day. When I tie those tendons, I'll make a video of the final product, and we'll grab some stuff. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I leave you now with a video of me working on this. I was putting the washers in between the 3 pieces of chain. This a little loosened. Now I've got to take the screws out, unfortunately. Gotta take the screws out. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good design I got there. Can't get it. Come out. There, it's out. Man, I made a good design. Come out. Alright, now what do I gotta do? I gotta flip this around. This is gonna get all messed up. I gotta take this one off, and then I gotta take this one off. This can get very frustrating, I tell you what. Put some washers on there. That should be enough. Put this one back on. I think it's this one, or is it this one? No, it's not that one. It's this one. This is a challenge and I have to do this. Yep, that one's right. Put another stack of washers on there. Actually, flip this over to here. Put another handful of washers on there. I don't want to put too many on because I won't be able to go back on. Actually, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to put this back on here like this. facing this way. This one should be facing this way. At least I think that's right. Line it up and see. Nope, one of those should, the one in the middle should be flipped around. I'm trying to see how this goes. Yeah, they're all facing the same way, so I gotta flip that around. I hate tedious stuff like this. Yeah, the one in the middle needs flipped around. Now it's facing the right way. I can put all these back on. Now I gotta see which way to put this one on. Oh, I'm just gonna stick it on. Gotta have patience to do this. Actually, one of these strings has to go on the other side. Yeah, the string in the middle has to go on the other side. Just gotta have patience. You wouldn't do it if it wasn't difficult. It's not supposed to go on the same side. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, take it off. Start over. Start over. Alright, where was I at? This one goes this way, and this one goes this way. So, we start by putting this one on. Start by putting this one on. It only goes on one side, unfortunately. We start by putting this one on. I'm going to say that's the top one. Then we take a handful of washers, stick them on Oops. That was the bottom one. Fortunately, it goes on upside down and backwards. And then we're going to take this one. Hopefully it'll go on right. It's got to go on the other side. Just like that. Take another handful of washers, stick them on there. There's no room for frustration here. Why is that on the same way? There we go, that's what I'm looking for. You got the tenons going on like that. There's all the tenons. It looks like this one down here is on the wrong side. And it won't come off. Yes, it will. Why did that go on the wrong side? I hope you're learning something while you're watching me do this. Alright, now it's on there the right way. Alright. Now I got gaps between my fingers. Actually, I want to add a couple more washers to that one. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. These tenons are getting all tangled up. Two more. Now, stick this on here. Hopefully it's on there the right way now. I think it is. Alright, now we got all messed up again. It's a tangled mess. There's one too many washers on there. It's on the wrong side again. Okay, what's going on here? All these tenons. And that tenon goes that way. That goes that way. This goes this way. This one goes on this side. And that tenon on this side is all messed up. Alright, I think I got it on the right side. Go on, go on. tendons back on the right side. Alright, now for the fun part, getting this back on here, however it went. It's got to go on the other side. Easier than I thought it would. Oops, I gotta pull that in. It's stuck on something. Stuck on the screws. What's going on in there? String caught on. It's caught on that. I didn't take into account that getting stuck on the screws like that. It's like, might I suggest some more tools? Everything's right so far. It won't move. All right. This is really getting on my nerves now. I'm going to take it for granted that it's working. Make sure nothing's caught down in there. Man, I hate these screws. Screwdriver. The tip's all worn on this screwdriver. Now where'd the screw go? There it is. that's a greasy mess too. Should have used a wire instead of strings. There, it's back together. Hallelujah. Yep, the string moves. Now I just gotta tie the tenons on there.